Derivation of gravitational potential energy. Energy is the ability to do work. Work is defined as force multiplied by displacement. Now, consider work done by gravity. Work equals force times displacement parallel to force applied. Since the force due to gravity is mg, we substitute to get W equals mgd. We usually represent vertical distance with h, so we get W equals mgh. This is the potential energy stored in an object due to its height. Kinetic energy is the energy due to the motion of an object. We will now derive the formula for kinetic energy. We start with the expression for time, using its relationship to acceleration. Now use the kinematic equation for displacement. Substitute the expression for time into the equation. Now, define h as y minus y sub o. Substitute this expression for h into the work equation. Work equals mgh. Now, let a be equal to g, the acceleration due to gravity. Cancel g from the numerator and denominator. Now expand and simplify the expression. Combine like terms to simplify further. Now factor out 1/2. This is the formula for kinetic energy. Total mechanical energy. TME is the sum of potential energy and kinetic energy. Substituting the equations for potential and kinetic energy. This is the total mechanical energy of an object.